Ethiopia, a land of rich diversity and ancient history, where people of many cultures have long lived side by side. But today, our nation stands at a crossroads. Internal conflicts threaten to tear us apart, endangering the lives and futures of millions. Yet in times of darkness, the true spirit of Ethiopia shines brightest. It's time for a transformative approach, one that prioritizes dialogue, reconciliation, and inclusivity. Together, we have the power to shape our destiny. By choosing peace, we can build a more stable and prosperous future for all Ethiopians. Political leaders, civil society, and citizens alike, we all have a role to play in healing our nation. The future of our nation depends on it. Let's unite for peace and make a commitment to understanding. Choose peace today, for Ethiopia, for our future, for each other.